Friday night, what is it, May 10th?
It's Mother's Day in Mexico.
Mother's Day now, this weekend, Sunday, right?
Sunday, yes.
But also it's a big day here in Philippines on Monday. And that's what we're going to try to get a glimpse on, showing a little bit about what's going on with how they campaign here, right?
Yeah, the campaigning is interesting.
Yeah. It is just like...
you need earplugs. You hear it just the same.
Yeah, you need earplugs. So we were going to come out here. We're on Camcorder in Andoer. And we are going to try to... Hey there, how are you? We're going to try to cover this a little bit. Yeah, it's, I just went up to Severa to get Janice, my wife, and it was like crazy. The traffic is crazy, and we'll see here if we can catch a glimpse of what's going on. Yeah, a little further up in my Balakat, it was so loud you couldn't hear nothing, you know.
Are they heading down this way, I guess?
I'm thinking so. And I don't think they're passed already because the traffic, you see how fast it moves.
Yes, sir, it's really slow.
Traffic doesn't move at all on the other side there. Very slowly.
Nice, a warm day today. Probably around
warm.
30.
Yeah, it's hot.
30, 33, 34 Celsius. Maybe?
Yeah, around 34, so close to 90. And humidity is.
Well, it's got to be around 80% or more.
It's tough. All right, so over there you see how they drive around in the cars, loudspeakers. I guess we could just go over on the other side and sit down and wait for them.
It looks like a long line of traffic.
Oh yeah. It is totally backed up. Here's another election. Here's another election vehicle. This is how to do it. It is just not moving at all. But
just like the wind.
Yeah. Hello. Thank you. Philippines. Here's another one. It's kind of interesting how they do it. You never hear them have any speeches or anything. They just drive around in these cars and play loud music.
Yeah, they do.
That's about it. Right?
Everybody dances along the street sometimes.
Right.
And so it's kind of interesting to just sit down here and wait and watch the traffic go by.
Yeah. We can do some people watching right now and wait. And then when we walk home, we can walk that way.
Yeah.
Where's Rusty?
Oh, just around the corner.
Oh,
Just
yeah. It's a funny thing, you know. There's a company here. They're selling stainless steel, and what's the name of it?
Rusty.
Rusty. So you need stainless steel. Come and see Rusty. I guess they're coming up this way too. We can walk over on the other side and go down that way, right? All right. Yeah, traffic coming this way is not bad at all.
No. It's all the traffic going that way. It's probably
Yeah.
the vehicles for the election have already gone by, or there's been more than one.
Oh yeah, no, that's. Yeah, so it's a little crazy Friday here.
Where do you buy the chicken?
Huh?
Where do you buy the chicken?
Where I buy it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Down here somewhere. Right here. That's where I buy it. Yeah. This is where we buy our chicken. Yeah, they know me here. I've been buying chicken there for 4 years. All right, so what do we got up there? On the other side, we have Iron Tech Fitness Center. I think on the entire upper floor there is like a fitness center.
The higher,
Yeah. So
The third floor is the gym.
we need to go there.
Yeah.
We need to start exercising. Hello. Here we got some barbecue, right? Huh? Nah, not today. Some other day. There you go. All right.
They just came out of there.
Yeah,
They're going through the.
they're coming around. You know, they're going around in the neighborhoods with these cars, playing loud music, making noise. That's one thing with Filipinos. They like to make noise.
They like noise, yes. They like food and they like noise.
They like noise. They like dogs. They like cats. Everybody's honking. It's party time, I guess, when it's election.
Talking about dogs and cats because I sleep with them at night.
Right. All right. So here's another one coming. So I guess this is how they campaign their local elections.
They go in and out through the barangays with their cars and
Yeah.
loud music. They make the windows shake.
Yeah.
They remove the wax from
But
their ears.
it's kind of funny because people get out on the street. You know, everybody comes out when they're around. Now they're not moving very fast today. They drive around, they have generators in the back and big sound systems like
Yes, I know.
It's like
They
crazy.
vibrate the wax right out of your ears.
Yeah.
Friday night.
Yeah. They're waving at us.
Yeah.
They see us with the camera. All right, Yun Castro for counselor. All right.
That's the whole political slogan
Yeah.
in the song.
Yeah,
They
political.
changed the songs, the words for the songs. They put their political slogan.
Yeah, they
sing it.
Yeah, they make like slogans inside the song.
Yes, exactly.
It's funny. It's kind of funny. The sun is about to go down there, and we are about to get back home, walk back home, see if we can catch any more election stuff. This be a little election video for you guys.